Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just doing a bit of catch up on my videos and my recording and then also my editing. So while the one part of my videos are busy exporting, I thought I'll just do some recording, that way I can get them all lined up and hopefully load it up for next week. Okay, so we have two post reviews. These ones are of the little we've got a little cat. It's a partial. I'm actually quite impressed with how well this one came out. Quite a cute design, that one. And then with how small this Kitty is, it came out really well. I'm just pulling off the plastic so we can have a look at it. So what I did with the Kitty was I actually tried to use up some of my spare drills. So I took a photo. I did take a photo from memory. Oh, where... There we go. So this is how many of the spare drills. I don't know if you can tell. I'll have to post that in. Yeah, so I'm going to just post a video of the drills that I used from this kit, as well as from spare drills that I had in my my stash before I actually needed to open the spare drills, which was quite cool. Alright, so let's just go back to this little kitty. And where is my book? Alright. This is from the Megayouput store. Interesting name. So this is a 15 by 25. So they, I assume, work from the canvas, the entire canvas, because they had it listed as a 20 by 25. I paid $3.06. It was a partial, and I call this little guy a multi-skinny cat. So you can see I used some of the spare drills. So the empty containers actually went into the Kitty that I used for the Kitty. I don't know if you guys can actually see. It looks like it. Okay, so I wasn't worried about running out of any drills at all. I actually had quite a bit, considering that it's such a small little design. But he's so cute. Right, so we've got that one, and then on to the Kitty. So again, you guys can see that it's got an extra piece of tape so that I can file that away in my file system. I might do something else for my completed ones, just to, I don't know yet, maybe so it just presents better, I guess, when you're looking at it. Maybe I'll do a duct tape or a frame of some sort around these edges as well, but that remains to be seen or decided. Just I've got a couple of things mulling around in my head, but I'll get to that at some point. Right, then we've got our Kitty. So they listed this as a 20 by 20, but it was actually a 13.7 by 13.7, so about 14 centimeters, give or take. It's from the Diypaly Store. The links to the unboxing is in my listing, and I'll add that in the description box below so that you guys know where to find the store. I paid $2.98. So what I liked about this one is it went really quick, but if you maybe have kitties that are quite enjoying diamond painting and they feel that they're ready to move up to a full design, this would probably be the kind of thing that you would want to look at for them. So I'd say if you've got kids and you're looking for something small for them to do that won't necessarily take them too long so that they get bored, or you know, that not necessarily instant gratification, but quick enough so that they don't feel that they haven't accomplished something. You know what I mean. So I would say go check out this site. So very quick, very easy. The drills on this one, as I said, I use quite a bit of my spare drills. So out of my spare drill stash, I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors, because I didn't even need to open these packets at all. I might very well still open them. I'm still undecided because you don't really know exactly how many is in here. But as it stands at the moment, I'm in no particular rush to be opening these packets. And then these are some of the leftovers. So again, there was no fear of running out of drills at all. There we go. Cool. Alright guys, thank you very much for checking in. If you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button. If there's anything that you guys are interested in having me do a video on, please leave that in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!